In a groundbreaking move, Apple introduced emergency SOS via satellite, and now Google is set to follow suit with Android 15 and upcoming Pixel phones. But that's not all. Samsung is also gearing up to launch a similar feature on Galaxy phones, starting with the Galaxy S25. At Android Authority, we've been digging deep into Samsung's apps, and our efforts have paid off. We've uncovered references to satellite communication in Samsung's emergency SOS messages and phone apps. But what does this mean for you? The new Emergency SOS app explains satellite messaging and how to connect to a satellite when there's no cell signal. You'll even be able to send and receive text messages in satellite mode. But here's the catch: emergency calls will still rely on cell towers if you're within range. In a surprising twist, Samsung Messages reveals a shocking truth: the app doesn't support satellite messaging. Instead, users are directed to use Google Messages. But what does this mean for Samsung's satellite communication system? Is it linked to Google's system, or is Samsung supporting two competing systems? This isn't the first time Samsung has taken a dual approach, but when it comes to life or death situations, clarity is key. The last thing anyone needs is confusion over how to call for help. So, why is Samsung holding off on introducing satellite connectivity to its smartphones? According to Samsung MX chief Tiamaro, the company is waiting for the ecosystem to develop further. But don't lose hope, Samsung enthusiasts. Despite previous disappointments, it seems Samsung is still committed to launching satellite connectivity, potentially as early as next year. As we delve into the world of satellite connectivity on Samsung devices, it's clear that the groundwork is still in its early stages. What we're seeing now may not be the final product, and it's essential to reserve judgment until we have a clearer picture of Samsung's plans. However, one thing is certain: Samsung is actively working on satellite connectivity, and that's a reassuring sign. While Google may be handling some software aspects in Android 15, phone manufacturers will still need to add the necessary hardware to communicate with satellites. So, what are your expectations from this game-changing feature? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the possibilities of satellite connectivity? Do you have concerns about its implementation? Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news and insights. We'll be keeping a close eye on Samsung's progress and bringing you the latest updates as they happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next on.